10 Best Quotes of Film. The Best Years of Our Lives, 1946. The best years of our lives. After the end of World War II, 3 American veterans from different military branches and different social backgrounds return home to try and reacclimatize themselves back into society, but the world back home isn't quite how they remembered it. The Best Years of Our Lives is a film that, prior to cracking open the 1001 Movies book, I'd never heard of, and, despite having had it written down on a spreadsheet for over a decade, I couldn't have told you a great deal about before watching it. I'd heard it recommended, but even then only a couple of times by a couple of people, and I think I'd pegged it as one of those instances where the Oscar Academy had blundered and handed a Best Picture award to some easily forgotten drama over the presumably far superior and more impactful likes of It's a Wonderful Life. However, my endeavors with Deep Blue Sea, we never had any trouble. Millie Stephenson, with a pointed look. This seemingly innocent statement by Millie undercuts the reality of her strained marriage with Al. It highlights how couples might put on a facade while dealing with underlying problems. You know, I've got a good mind to join a club and beat you over the head with it. Al Stephenson, Frederick March, displaying his wit and sense of humor. How long since you been home, sailor? Homer Parrish, Harold Russell, a double amputee veteran, highlighting the common experience of returning servicemen. I'm glad you're home, Al. You'll be back at the bank tomorrow, won't you? Millie Stephenson, Myrna Loy, showing her pragmatic and supportive nature. You know, that's the first time I've kissed you without having to stand on my toes. Peggy Stephenson, Teresa Wright, reflecting on the changes time has brought. You don't know what believing in yourself means until you get yourself back. Fred Deary, Dana Andrews, speaking to the struggle of regaining self-confidence after war. We never had any trouble making decisions before. Maybe that's because we've never had to make any decisions before. Fred Deary, highlighting the difficulties veterans face when adjusting to civilian life. I'd stand up for you, kid, till I drop. Butch. This line from Butch to his friend Homer showcases the unbreakable bond between the veterans. It emphasizes their unwavering loyalty and support for each other. All I know is, I was in love with you when you left and I'm in love with you now. Other things may have changed, but that hasn't. Wilma Cameron. Wilma's declaration to Homer expresses the enduring love that can survive the challenges of war and separation. Say, who is this Peggy Stephenson? She's a girl. I didn't think she was a kangaroo. Al Stephenson. This light-hearted exchange injects some humor into the film. It also highlights Al's initial cluelessness about his wife's friend Peggy. I've seen nothing. I should have stayed at home and found out what was really going on. Homer Parrish. Homer's realization reflects the disconnect returning veterans experienced. They faced new struggles at home while grappling with their wartime experiences.